G'day, if you've ever wanted a Haney soil test analysis interpretation, this video is for you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually get a free interpretation from our website. I'm going to run you through how to use the tool. So if you head to agresol.com.au, you can scroll down to free tools for farmers. What you'll find there is a free Haney soil test analysis. You can either get started there, or you could also go up to our free tools for farmers, and there's our free Haney soil test analysis there. We also have our soil test analysis, which is of our Agresol. We also have our sap test analysis and our cover crop mixer. But anyways, if you click on the Haney soil test analysis, it'll take you to the next page. So once you arrive on the Haney soil test analysis, you'll see this form here. And what you'll do is you'll need to enter in your email so that we know where to send it. Enter in some metadata, so for example your name, what crop doesn't necessarily matter, but it's good to keep a idea of what you're going to put in. Next, ID is quite important. Your paddock name, paddock 1, whatever. This is quite important. We don't want to know exactly, or you want to know exactly where your test was taken, what paddock was in, and the ID, so you can match it up with your records. When it was taken, that's quite important to make sure you know which year it was taken in. Once that's done, you can go next and then start putting in your soil Haney test results. Now, if you want a soil Haney test, so you can actually do this, we offer soil Haney tests in our consulting program. We can either come out to your farm, take them for you, or we can just talk you through how to take one and how to send it off to the labs. If you get a Haney test through us, it's the same price. We just charge at cost. It doesn't really matter to us. Then the lab we use, so we use EAL. They do a great job. I think they might be the only lab in Australia that does this, but you can either do it with them or us. Doesn't really matter. So what you want to do, you want to put in all your information into the form here. The form will send it to a Google Sheet, process all the data, put it through our custom-made calculator or spreadsheet, spit out the interpretation for you at the end with everything you need to know. So I'll quickly put all the data in and then send it off and I'll show you. So once that's all done and you've put all your numbers in, as you can see here, you can go right down to the bottom and press submit. Now it'll go through the sequence, process your information, put it into a custom-made sheet, and then email it straight into your inbox. And then once you get it, it'll look something like this. And we'll go over exactly what this sheet means in another video and understanding the interpretation of this. But just roughly, you have the numbers you've put in down this column here, the desired amount, and interpretation of high-low ranges, and then some nutritional recommendations to help you along the way. Now, it's important to know these nutritional recommendations are general in nature. We don't understand your context. We don't understand your crop requirements. These are simply just looking at ideal range for the soil. So take this with a grain of salt. It's useful, but it's best to come speak to us for a professional recommendation on nutrition. So if you do want to come speak to us about Haney soil tests and coming up with a regenerative strategy, you can sign up for a free consultation at agresol.com.au and have a chat about some of the ways we can get started. Thanks again for watching. My name's Teal. Cheers.